where between 1.7 to 3 million lives were lost. Likewise, Timor-Leste suffered immensely under the Indonesian occupation, with an estimated 180,000 to 200,000 Timorese lives lost. These difficult histories remind us that peace is not simply a monument, reflecting on the shared journey of resilience and the sacrifices made in pursuit of peace. Your Excellency, under your leadership, Cambodia has emerged stronger, more stable, and increasingly influential. You have shaped a nation that is looking toward the future with confidence. Timor-Leste deeply admires your commitment to preparing transgenerational leadership, ensuring continuity and progress for Cambodia. It is an approach that inspires us as we seek to strengthen our institutions and lay the groundwork for long-term stability. We are also profoundly grateful for Your Excellency's unwavering support of Timor-Leste ASEAN's membership during your presidency of ASEAN in 2022. Your leadership and advocacy helped accelerate our journey toward regional integration, allowing Timor-Leste to stand alongside our neighbors in ASEAN with pride. This milestone, achieved with Cambodia's encouragement, was a defining moment in our diplomatic history. Beyond diplomacy, we are making tangible strides in economic cooperation. Our 2022 agreements on air services and rice trade strengthened commercial ties between our nations. More recently, Timor-Leste finalized an agreement to purchase tons of rice from Cambodia, reinforcing agricultural collaboration and food security efforts. Our agriculture sector has been critical since independence, challenges including climate change, long drought, and low production, which leads to deficiency to respond to our people's basic needs, as rice is considered a staple food of the people of this country. Your consistency in agriculture and rice field could incentivize us to develop our own policy to reinforce agriculture sector that reflects the livelihoods of the majority of the people of Timor-Leste, and these partnerships demonstrate the growing trust and shared commitment between our nations. But economic partnerships alone do not define true friendship between nations. Timor-Leste will never forget Cambodia's kindness during one of our most challenging periods. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2021 and 2022 claimed 138 lives in Timor-Leste, putting immense pressure on our health system and economy. It was during this time of difficulty that Cambodia stepped forward, providing crucial vaccines and medical supplies that helped ease the burden on our government and people. Your Excellency, your leadership ensured that Cambodia extended a hand of friendship when we needed it most, and for that we will always be grateful.